Hello, welcome to my channel Get Set and MUET.
Oh, I cannot stand a slow internet line. Lose the internet to do almost everything. I Google for notes and resources when I study. I need a good internet line to download multimedia, especially YouTube's. When we do group work, we use Google Meet or Zoom. When I'm bored, I listen to songs and watch movies on YouTube to distress. You see, all these activities need a strong internet line.
I cannot stand the public transport services in KK. Over in big cities, there are many advanced transportations. The LRT, MRT, the high-speed train to name a few. They are so convenient, on time and reliable. I just don't understand why we do not have all these conveniences here in Sabah.
Good morning, madam. It's true, I'm a very impatient person. One thing I cannot wait is to line up at the shopping mall to check out my merchandise. It's a waste of time. Do you know there are so many online shopping platforms that we can use to make shopping extremely easy and fast at the comfort of your home? Like Lazada, Shopee, Amazon, to name a few. You just click the items you want, drop it in your cart, they will send it at your doorstep. In the meantime, you can relax, chat with your friends, study, or play some games.